Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Twitch Creator Dashboard, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL, twitch.tv. Press the enter key on your keyboard. Locate the login button at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the login button. You will be redirected to the login page. Enter your username or email address in the first field. Enter your password in the second field. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, check your authentication app or email for the code. Input the code into the designated field. Click the login button to proceed. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Creator Dashboard from the list. You will now be redirected to the Creator Dashboard. Here, you can customize your stream settings and access various tools. Explore features such as your stream analytics, settings, and monetization options. Take your time to familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. Make any necessary adjustments to your stream preferences. Now you are successfully logged into the Twitch Creator Dashboard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.